Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Samsung A04E is allowed to change wallpapers under agency rules. If approved, open Settings now. Once inside, scroll to Wallpaper or Lock Screen. This gets you to the controls that apply to the secure lock screen. Make sure you have the image saved in Gallery or Files. If the image is not present, download or transfer it now. Then tap the Wallpaper section to enter the selection interface and proceed to choose the lock screen target. Once in Wallpaper, tap Gallery or My Files to pick your image. You can also use Samsung wallpapers if permitted. Select the photo, then crop and reposition using pinch and drag so critical details are not behind the clock or notifications. Make sure to choose Apply to Lock Screen only, not Home Screen, if policy requires. Use the preview to review clock placement and notification visibility. If it looks off, adjust the crop until the main subject is centered and readable behind UI elements. Tap Set as Wallpaper and explicitly confirm it applies to the lock screen. Once applied, lock the phone and view the lock screen to verify the image alignment, legibility of time and notifications, and any agency branding requirements. If the change fails or policy prevents personalization, make sure device management profiles or restrictions aren't blocking it. Check settings biometrics and security device admin apps, or contact your IT/security team for exemption or guidance. Adjust and repeat if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.